Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from the Paper Letter blog. I'm here today with a new What My Pen Pals Sent Me video. So I picked out these 4 pretty letters and I'm going to show you what's inside. I know I was very excited to receive these, so I think that they are fun to watch. Just a little side note, if you think my voice sounds a little bit funny, you're probably right, because I had my wisdom teeth removed on Friday and it's now Monday and it hasn't healed yet, obviously, and it still hurts, so you know, I talk a little bit funny. So I picked out these 4 letters. 2 of them are from the Netherlands and 2 of them are international, so that is very exciting, and I'm going to take you through them one by one. This letter is from Sweden, from my pen pal Ellen. I know that I also showed one of her letters in a previous video. Again, I really like the stamps and this little design right here. I covered up my address because, you know, privacy. And I'm just going to show you what she sent me. So obviously this is just a flat envelope, and even though I make these videos where I show you how to make flip books and, you know, the most elaborate mail, this is actually the type of mail that I send most. So I send the letter and I include some goodies or a card or something nice, and that is it. So just so you know that happy mail doesn't have to be at all expensive or doesn't have to take that much time. I really love receiving letters like this. We're only pen pals for a little bit, but this really shows how much she already understands me, because I love floral paper like this. It's so pretty. So I'm definitely going to use that for something. And then I also want to show you, I cannot show you the letter obviously, I'll just cover it up with this. So whoop, and then you can still see how incredibly pretty this letter paper is. I really love it. Also, another big plus about this letter is that she sent me 4 of these pages written on both sides, and long letters is just something that makes me incredibly happy. I prefer these over a short letter anytime, so this was a happy meal in general. Then she sent me this cute postcard with the oops, I don't know what you call these in English, but there are these cute little birds. And then this is a washi tape sample, but I actually think this is a very smart, because what she did is, if I see this correctly, this is just a paint, how do you call that? Paint swatch? I think it's called a paint swatch, right? So when you go, for example, paint your house and you go to the store to pick out the color of paint, you can pick up these paint chips, paint swatches, I don't know, you can pick up these cards with different colors of paint and the name, and she used this to make a washi tape sample, which is so smart. So next time my dad goes to one of these stores, I'm definitely going with him just to pick out these pretty cards. So a cute little washi tape sample. And then she made me this little booklet, and inside is a little collage and the drawing that she made, which I really love. I mean, it's these little personal touches that make a handwritten letter so special. And then she made this little tag herself. I think this is again watercolor and a little sticker, and then on the bag is her mail tag to me. Yeah, so this was a really nice letter to receive. I already replied to this one. Then the next letter is one that is from my pen pal in the Netherlands. This is from my pen pal Laura. First of all, I don't know if you noticed this. I'm sorry, I had to washi tape over my address, but this envelope is in a Harry Potter style. So she put a little pumpkin juice picture cut out up here, but these 2, I think this is the Hogwarts logo. I think this entire envelope is already Harry Potter style. I'll just show you up close. And then on the back here, there's this beautiful wax, I cannot pronounce the W right now, wax seal stamp with the Harry Potter logo, the Hogwarts logo again. And you may have guessed it by now, but I'm a huge fan of Harry Potter, so receiving this letter in the mail was very exciting. Okay, so again, I'm not going to show you the letter itself, but I can just show you that this letter paper also has a little Hogwarts logo on the top here. It's obviously matching stationery. And then she included so many things, like this pretty card. Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if only one remembers to turn on the light. Little quote card. She also drew the Deathly Hallows drawing, which is a really fun little touch. And the reason why she sent me this is because I told her in a letter that my friends and I were doing a little Harry Potter marathon weekend. My friends came over, we had a lot of snacks, and we watched a couple of Harry Potter movies, and we didn't finish them all, but you know, that's a good excuse to do another one of these weekends. She made this little booklet. It's a little messed up because I think I did something wrong with the tape, but it's a little book of advanced potion making. Really smart. And then when you open it, it says this book is the property of the Half-Blood Prince. And then here are some potions. This is so cool, you guys. She made all of these little potion, you know, potion book papers. It says polyjuice potion, and then it's explained how you would make a polyjuice potion. And then she just slightly burned the edges. I did this once, not a great success, but for her it looks really pretty. Or maybe she did this in another way, I don't know. And then she put it in here, and these are also little potions that she rolled up and sealed with sealing wax. This is such a good idea. I really love how she did this, and it's so creative. And I don't know how she got these printables, but I think maybe if you Google something, then you can find it. I will have to ask her to see if I can find it. And then she included a daily prophet, the Dark Lord defeated, some more daily prophets, new headmaster for Hogwarts, the boy who lies, Albus Dumbledore, you know, a lot of some more daily prophets. She included a Hogwarts library card and a train ticket, which is obviously the coolest because it says platform 9 3/4. So someone commented on one of my videos saying that she was looking for ways to make a Harry Potter themed snail mail, and I said that I would think about it, but I really don't think I can top this, so I think this is your best source of inspiration for now. And the last little touch that she added is here on the inside of the envelope. She said, "I solemnly swear that I am up to no good." Which, you know, if you love Harry Potter, then you obviously know that reference. I still have to reply to that letter. Also, I don't know if you've noticed, but I write the date here in the corner, and that's just the date that I received the letter, so that I know how long it takes me to reply and which letter to reply to first. Then this is another letter from the Netherlands. And this is from my pen pal Vita, or actually this is not my pen pal. You know, we became very close friends on high school, and we're still in touch, and it's just a really nice way to stay in touch by writing letters. And first of all, I love these little cupcake stickers. I could use them in one of my videos that I'm going to be doing soon. And these are sticky notes that I also got from her. I don't know if you can see this. It's sort of shimmery and really pretty, and I really like the way it looks. And I also like that she always includes some sort of headers in her letters, and just these, this says Hoi Viv, which means hello, and then, you know, just a little play on my name. Okay, so it's a bit difficult to show you without actually spoiling the letter, but she always makes the letters very fun to receive, especially since she doesn't normally do pen pal letters, so I think she's very good at that. And then she sent me some Clipper tea, back up our Happy Mondays infusion, which, you know, I could use. Today is actually a Monday, so very happy. I love Clipper tea. And then this is actually what I wanted to show you. This says random VV facts, because the first two letters of her name are V, and the first two letters of my name are also V. So when we were younger and in high school, we used to refer to us as Fifi. And then she cut out a little shape of a heart, and then in here she wrote down some facts about our friendship, which is such a cute idea, and I really, really love it. And actually I forgot most of these. For example, there's I'm not gonna show you because there are some private things in here, but she, for example, put in a Team Edward versus Team Jacob reference, because she was actually obsessed with Twilight, and she got me to watch it, and then I became obsessed too, so you know, we have a lot of history. And she just made a little reference to that, which is really cute. And then the final letter I have to show you today is from Finland. I don't want to show you my address, but I just want to show you that she has this really pretty handwriting, the little hearts on the eye. I really love the way that looks. And then she decorated the envelope with these doilies and pretty stamps, really pretty. And again, she wrote "Hello Vivian" in such pretty handwriting. I really want to, you know, find a way to copy that. So this is her letter to me. And then the most important part, I don't know how she wrapped it, but it looked better than this, I'm sure. She made this little box with this sort of velvety mint green ribbon. This is actually one of my favorite colors. And this box, it says goodies, and I tried not to open it before I finished reading the letter, because I always try to read the letter first, but I just couldn't resist. So I opened it. She made this little box herself. I opened it and oh my god, I was so happy. There's like there's these 2 pieces of chocolate in here. This is Hershey's, and this, I don't know, it says Kakao. I don't know. Oh, it's also from Hershey's. Milk chocolate with crisped rice, and it's just milk chocolate. And this, I think this is just candy. And this is so cute. First of all, I love chocolate. Send me chocolate and cats and I'm happy. And this was just such a cute thing to include to a first pen pal letter. I instantly liked her. I don't know why. And she put some doilies on here as well in the goodies box, but just, I don't know if you can see, there's this cute design of cacti on here, which is one of my favorites. So that was really cute. I also already replied to this letter, and those were the letters I want to show you today. I have a couple more letters ready to show you, but I want to keep those for another video, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel if you want to see those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and if you want to see more of those, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye!